Hello everybody, here's another video, just an update on my raw life and what I'm doing. I made a nice salad yesterday with a nice dressing and thinking about the sugar and the fat. A lot of people talk negative about raw food and fruits because it's too much sugar, they might say. Well, they're eating every processed food out there with so much processed sugar. You know, the fruit and sugar is just fine. One of the problems with overeating is how much fat are we actually eating? How many nuts and seeds are we eating? How many avocados are we eating? High fat is going to cause overeating. High fat is one of the problems. So doing a high fat diet, even if it's a raw diet, is not going to be helpful. You want to make sure you're eating the lower fat foods, and fruit is helpful if you're on less than 100% raw vegan. But if you're on a 100% raw vegan diet, fruit is essential. Essential. Now there are different types of fruits and different ways to eat them. I know some people will consider dried fruit or dehydrated fruit, whether it's a freeze dryer or a dehydrator, as fruit. But that, is too much sugar. Dried fruit and fruit juice, straight up fruit juice, too much sugar. But fruit from the tree with the life-giving water in it, eaten fresh in its whole form, is excellent and essential for our health. There's so many nutrients in there that's going to bless us. The biggest problems with illness today is overeating and undersleeping. That's it. And also eating at the wrong times. We only need to eat 2 times a day and not eat late at night. Do your best to properly combine your foods. Try not to eat fat with sugar. It's not complicated. It's not complicated. Take some blood tests if you're low in something. Maybe take a vitamin until you could figure out why you're low in something. But chances are you're not going to be low if you're getting enough exercise, getting enough sleep, and eating 2 times a day and not eating late at night. Give it a try. There's a lot of mistakes people are making when they try to do the raw food diet and it's not working for them. And eating the wrong foods, the wrong types, and these things are common mistakes. Eating too much dried fruit, drinking fresh fruit juice. These are common issues. I say eat twice a day, and if you're still hungry, get a juicer and do a green vegetable juice. If you want to have a little fruit, an apple to sweeten it up or something, that's fine. But 2 meals a day. Now, when it comes to fruit, if you're doing a smoothie or something, that's different than juicing, because you still have the fiber in there and the sugar's not getting in your system so quickly. It's still slowing it down. But ideally, you want to eat the foods in its whole form and don't overdo it, and you're going to be fine.